Fallacies all around us presentation. Let's take a look at the first fallacy in commercial of a clothing company.
All right, first day of school, Hunter. Remember to raise your hand in class so they see those cufflinks.
I look like our lawyer.
Exactly.
Why can't I just dress like them?
Them?
They look cool.
Excuse me, young people? Pardon me.
Mom,
No,
please.
darling, I have this.
Mom.
Where did you get these looks?
Old Navy?
The Navy. It's the Navy.
Old Navy, Mom.
Could you turn around for us? May we see the back?
Mom, please.
Hunter, Hunter, Mommy's speaking.
Mom,
Hunter!
it's my first day.
Hunter, let Mommy handle this. And how much for the denims?
$8.
$8?
This shirt was $4.
Uh-huh. And you do know that children who lie go to prison, right, Hunter? And does there happen to be any sort of a sale?
Yeah, all kids stuff is up to 60% off.
You're going to be late today, Hunter. We're going to Old Navy.
The first clips advertised the Old Navy clothing company. Their advertisement is aimed to young people, adults, men and women. The message of this advertisement is to look more fashion. The fallacy that is used in this commercial is bandwagon. Because a group of kids looked cool in Old Navy's clothes and the kid in the car wanted to look cool like them. The message behind this commercial is to persuade people to go with their brand, to look cooler and more fashion than looking old school or a lawyer, which was mentioned in the clip. Let's take a look to the second video.
Colgate Fresh Confidence with invigorating cooling crystals. It's mind-blowing. Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
The second clip is the advertisement of Colgate toothpaste. It is aimed to all people. The message of this advertisement is to have good breath and white teeth. It is appeal to authority fallacy because at the end of the clip it said recommended by dentists. So dentists are experts at teeth. They must know what they're talking about. The message is to persuade people to trust their products and have good and strong teeth. Let's take a look at video number 3.
When you hear bad weather's coming, you stay home from church. When you stay home from church, you have to ride out the storm. When you ride out the storm, you get hit in the face with a toaster. When you get hit in the face with a toaster, you need plastic surgery. When you get plastic surgery, you look like the Joker. And when you look like the Joker, you get chased by Batman. Don't get chased by Batman. Go to church.
The third clip is aimed to all people from young to old. The message of this video is to make people go to church. The fallacy used in the video is slippery slope. The message behind this video is to persuade people to go to church and not to be lazy. Let's move on to fourth video.
Stupid narc!
The video doesn't really make any sense. At first, you see the boy was bullied. But at the end, the boy walks towards the camera and advertised chapstick, which is a skincare for lips. The fallacy used in this video is non-sequitur. Thank you guys for watching.
Stupid narc!